Chapter 8 Arrays. The C language provides a capability that enables the user to design a set of similar data types called array. So, uh, this array is a data type like integer and characters. So, array is also a data type. We should note that in many C books and courses, arrays and pointers are taught separately. So, arrays and pointers are different than other data types. They are slightly different, hence they are taught separately. This is because pointers and arrays are so closely related that discussing arrays without discussing pointers would make the discussion incomplete and wanting. So we have to discuss pointers and arrays together. What are arrays? For understanding the arrays properly, let us consider the following program. Main int x equal to 5, x equal to 10, printf /n x equal to %x. No doubt this program will print value of x as 10. The earlier value of x, that is 5, is lost. However, there are situations in which we would want to store more than one value at a time in a single variable. That is, in this example, we wanted to store 5 in x and we wanted to store also 10 in x. So we want to store 5 and 10 in one single variable, that is x. So there are certain situations in which we have to store more than one value in a single variable. For example, suppose we wish to arrange the percentage marks obtained by 100 students in ascending order. So we want to arrange few marks or arrange few numbers in ascending order. In such a case, we have two options to store these marks in memory. So we have to store these marks in memory. So there are two options. Option A, construct 100 variables to store percentage marks obtained by 100 different students. That is, each variable containing one student's mark. And B is construct one variable called array or subscripted variable capable of storing or holding all the 100 values. So there are two options in which first we have to construct 100 variables and second is another option in which we have to construct only one variable in which 100 values will be stored. So if we are comparing these two options, now in these two options, obviously the second alternative is better. A simple reason for this is it would be much easier to handle one variable than handling 100 different variables. So handling 100 different variables is difficult because the program will become lengthy. Moreover, there are certain logics that cannot be dealt with without use of an array. So using a single variable is easy as compared to using 100 storing that data in 100 different variables. And there are some logics also in which array is compulsory. An array is a collective name given to group of similar quantities. So group of similar quantities collectively are called array. These similar quantities could be percentage of marks of 100 students or salaries of 300 employees or ages of 50 employees. So these similar quantities are like this. So we come across these kind of situations in daily life, like employees, now salaries, etc. What is important is that the quantities must be similar. So quantities must be similar. Each member in a group is referred to by its position in group. So each member is referred by its position in group. For example, assume the following group of numbers which represent percentage of marks obtained by 5 students. So per is a group of numbers which are representing percentage of marks by 5 students. So per is equal to 48, 88, 34, 23, and 96. So like this, arrays are defined. So here per is a kind of array.